My name is Denny, and today I'll be presenting my Python 3 PyGame project, final project. This project was inspired by a game called Cookbooker. I thought that this game is fun, so I wanted to recreate it in PyGame. This picture over here is an image from the actual game. What did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned about PyGame events and drawing, which I used in my project. Number one, PyGame events. I use PyGame events to allow the functionality of the mouse clicking. Number two, drawing. I use PyGame's drawing logic to draw the cookie and add text to the screen. This is some examples of my text. So over here, it says the mouse button down. So, oh my God. So basically what it does, so whenever I click this button, it plus one to your cookies or whatever you have per click. And this over here is like the cookie. This is the chocolate chips. And these parts are for whenever you click it, the cookie gets bigger. This is a demo of my game.
So it's gonna be as good looking guy.
This,
Yeah.
so I'll run it. So what I did here, it says 100, but I only got 10. So what I did was I divide by 10 the cookie, so then for the sake of time. So I press W. Now I get 2 clicks per second. No, 2 cookies per second. Per click. And this is 4. And this is oven. So I get 4 cookies per second, even if I don't flip. So now this is, I get 8 per second. That's 8 clicks per click. 8 cookies per. And this is the bakery. So now it gives 20 more cookies per second. Yeah, and then now this is grandma. So that's 40 if you do the math.
It's like filmmaker. Like, you know, it's 2,000. Or maybe 25.
Yeah, 2,000. And now that's 60 more cookies per second.
I think what was that filmmaker? I think it was the bear.
Oregon.
But you that 5 of them. So
Well, you fix that, right?
yeah. They're all there.
Okay, so a man has come to make a deal with you. He will give you 25,000 cookies and 20% more cook production speed for 50,000 cookies. Well, I divide by 10 now, so yeah, that's why I don't have 50,000. So if I press W, this is supposed to give me 25,000 cookies and 20% more production speed, which means 20% more cookies per second.
It's right.
Yeah, I also divide by 10 to 25,000. Yeah, so that's my demo of the game. My favorite part about working on this project was clicking and playing the game in order to test if it worked. Like these are some examples: the double click, the quad click. These are the passive upgrades, and yeah, the 4, 20, 40, and 60. If I were to continue working on this project, I would add more upgrades, add more conditionals, better graphics, better drawings, basically. Adding a shop where there's words, and if I click on those words, I could buy more of that upgrade. So if I already bought one oven, I could buy another oven. Thank you for listening to my final project for Pygame.